Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe and you get notified for more videos. If you're already part of the crew, salute. Now today we do have a phone right here that a lot of my favorite reviewers took a look at. So I'm going to suggest watching a couple of people's channels. I just watched Joker Tech's unboxing yesterday. So I'll leave a link down below where you can watch that. Altered Tech, Tech Odyssey, CV Tech, a ton others I can't think of off the top of my head, but I already did take a look at the first look at the N10, but this one is supposed to be a little bit more powerful for a little bit more of a price point. You're getting 5G on this one. You're also getting 4K recording and things of that nature. Now this was unboxed in store, so I just want to kind of show you what we get when we're first taking a look at the package. Now it's going to come with the user manual, and that will include the SIM card and startup guide. So you can have that there for reference. Just put that back over here. The phone is a nice weight to it. It's a nice solid phone. It comes in this like plastic sleeve right here. You get your huge work charging brick right here, which is extremely powerful. This thing will charge really quickly, and it's, as you can see, it's double the size of other types of chargers, so that's pretty crazy. You're getting the type A to type C, which I like, and it has like the highlighted clips on the ends of it, which is cool. So I think that's really nice, and the box is nice. You can see it does come with a quad camera setup arrangement right here. Let's take this sticker off of the phone as well. I don't like to leave the stickers on phones. I don't know, I just think that's a little weird, but let me show you what the screen looks like right now. It kind of left some glue on the back of there. I'm not really a fan of the... Now this is like a glossy back compared to the matte black texture that I was getting on the... Let me get out, see if I can get this off. So that just smeared in a little bit. So yeah, this material is a little bit more harder to manage than the one on my right here, which is more of a matte material. I actually am a fan of this one and a lot more. You both have a similar size to them. Let me feel the weight. It feels so like really similar in weight. I can't really feel any difference. If anything, this would be a little bit lighter, but the phone feels really nice. The refresh rate looks like it's already on out of the box. And if you go to the camera, actually right here, you can allow all the time, but you're gonna get slow motion in here, panorama, time lapse. A few other options that I didn't see on this guy right here, but we'll do a comparison probably in the future if you guys want. Let me know down below. But we are going to be able to get some, it says pro mode here for photos, and we're also going to be able to get 4K for video. So shout out to Joker Tech. I saw his video and he referenced that they do actually have the 4K recording on here as well. So that's pretty cool. We should probably take a quick sample shot of this guy right here. Let's go just do a quick portrait. And it says depth effect. So just taking a look at that, it looks really good. The detail on there. It takes a minute to render, but once it comes out, the detail is actually really good on there. And it says it works pretty much 1 to 7 feet away. But yeah, that looks really good. So you can see it does take a minute to render, but the details are really nice. I like the details on the portrait. What about the front facing camera? I like decent here. So the edge of the light and my hairline to the light in the background is really sharp. I like how good the line is when it comes to the edges of the photo. The really good edge line there all the way around it. So there's not really any noticeable blur or anything. So I think they really did a good job when it came to the edge line of the photo and everything like that. Let's go right here. And we do have on the front facing camera 1080, ultra wide lens correction as well. So let's go back to this mode. And if you're in photo on this mode, you can get to your wide mode right here and your close up 2x zoom here. It's even got the toggle right here. So this is pretty cool. Up here, you do have 64 megapixel, 16 megapixel. So you can like switch in between the resolution. I think that's cool. Nightscape. And you could use that for wide angle. So there's just a lot of features on this device. It has the glossy back, 90 Hertz display, refresh rate. This is just the unboxing video. My SIM card's in the device, but I haven't downloaded any apps yet. But I just wanted to show you guys like pretty much the difference. Now, you know, obviously I'm gonna make a full video to reference like both phones, but I just wanted to show you what comes in the box and everything that you get when you first buy the phone from Metro by T-Mobile. It's a pretty cool device. It has 5G. It does have the 5 gigahertz, and you're going to be getting NFC and a whole bunch of other features on here. 4K recording, night mode, dark mode. It has Android 10 on here as well. Let me just go in and take a look at this device in a little bit more. But there's a lot of customization on here for your fonts and your themes and things of that nature, icon packs. Battery life, it says right here, will have optimization. 30 watts fast charging for this device, which is going to be really cool. You also do get, let me go to the display, and it feels good in my hand when I'm just messing around with it with one hand. The guy at the store told me he was going to get cases in like a day, so I'm going to go back in like a day or so and get cases for this device. But it says right here, when you go to the refresh for hertz, it's already at 90 hertz by default, which is cool. You could already experience that right out of the box, which I think is pretty cool. So they're doing, you know, like a port over deal right now, or you can pay for the phone up front. It's up to you, you know. But, you know, OnePlus has been, they've gotten over to the US, unlike a lot of other companies unsuccessfully. Like, they've kind of taken over where ZTE left off, and Huawei and things of that nature, Honor. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to check out these devices in a little bit more detail. I still can't get this sticker. Oh, here we go. I got that residue off. It was kind of messing with me. Okay, so that's what the phone looks like with no fingerprints whatsoever. A like on this video would be really supportive to the channel. If you guys could do that, that would mean a lot. But thank you guys for staying locked in with me throughout the whole video. And I'll try to make some more videos about these devices in the future. So make sure you stay locked in and get notified so you don't miss any more content. And it's your boy Serrano, and I'll get right back with you. Peace.